Today is a very special day here at Telle Tire and Auto Centers, Richmond Heights. My man, Doug Mathewson, is celebrating his 10-year anniversary. We had Zia's come in and cater a great lunch for our team. Now we got a little cake we're going to go give him, show our appreciation. There he is. Here's our man, Mr. Doug Mathewson, 10-year anniversary. Thank you very much here. So we got a little cake. I just like to say a little something here. For me, Doug has an extra special place in my heart. When Dad passed away in 2009, it was really important for me to find someone, a strong anchor to help support us and help us get to where we needed to go. And I remember interviewing a lot of people and talking to people in the industry of who they thought would be a good fit, and the name Doug Mathewson came up quite a bit. And we got together and went to a Billikens basketball game. A Billikens basketball game, and that was it. That was history. So because of Doug, it allowed Telle Tire to continue and be strong and continue with our great customer service and focus. So to all of us, to all of our customers that have been coming here, we all greatly appreciate you. Thank you very much, and happy anniversary, and look forward to many more years together.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.